2023, we are here to attend the wedding reception of Christopher and Christine. Bapak Ibu tamu yang berbahagia, selamat datang di Grand Ballroom Pullman Hotel Jakarta. And my name is Adi Robin. I will be the master of ceremony in a few hours later. Bapak Ibu tamu yang berbahagia, hari ini tentunya Christopher Condro yang merupakan putra tercinta dari almarhum Bapak Prasetyo Condro dan Ibu Julie Agus, tentunya diwakilkan oleh Bapak Agus Hasan. Christopher Condro telah resmi menjadi suami tercinta dari Christine Natasha yang merupakan putri tercinta dari Bapak Yunardi Tai dan Ibu Lili Pin. Tatkala dua hati dipersatukan dalam satu ikatan janji suci pernikahan, maka perbedaan haruslah direngkuh ataupun disandingkan untuk dapat membentuk satu harmoni cinta. Ibarat tentunya benih di mana ia dituai, di situ dia akan tumbuh bertunas dan berkembang. And Mrs. Julie Agus, give an applause. Welcome, selamat datang. Bapak Agus Hasan dan Ibu Julie Agus as the beloved parents of the groom, Christopher. Selanjutnya kita berikan tepuk tangan lagi untuk orang tua tercinta dari mempelai wanita.
I can open your eyes. Take me one by one, over sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, and even this the point of view. No other tell us no, or where to go, or say we only dream it.
Let's give it up once again to Christopher and Christine.
It's crystal clear. There's no one mean I hold your world with you. Evil sky.
Dari Ayahanda kepada Bapak Agus Hasan, boleh untuk diserahkan. Please hand over a piece of cake to the representative of the late Mr. Prasetyo Condro, Mr. Agus Hasan. Thank you. Selanjutnya untuk Christopher, boleh cipika-cipiki ke mama. Ya, ditahan pelan-pelan ya. Slowly because we will take a photo. Ya. Thank you mama. Now untuk perwakilan dari papa boleh cipika-cipiki juga ya. Give your best to Mr. Agus Hasan. Thank you. Silakan kembali ke tempat dan tante. And I would like to invite Mr. Yunardita and Mrs. Lily Pin. Yang pertama untuk mama tercinta, to the beloved mother of the bride, diberikan bersama-sama. Mama diterima, please accept this love from us. Thank you for caring us, for giving us love. Selanjutnya untuk papa tercinta, to the beloved dad, Mr. Yunardita. Ya. Diterima papa, jangan dihabisin papa, nanti aja ya. Selanjutnya boleh cipika-cipiki terlebih dahulu untuk Christine ya. Thank you. Ke papa selanjutnya ya. And then next Christopher, please. Show your respect, gratitude and love to mother and father-in-law ya, once again. Ya. Kita berikan tepuk tangan. Give an applause. Selanjutnya as we rehearse tadi seperti apa tangannya, coba. You still
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show.
Kita doakan mendapatkan berkat dari Tuhan. Tentunya keturunan yang sempurna. Dan selalu menjadi pribadi yang takut akan Tuhan tentunya. Mengalir terus rezekinya sampai tumpah-tumpah. Give them an ultimate blessing. Of course for the symbol of love, prosperity, and of course togetherness. Oke, berikan tepuk tangan untuk Christopher and Christine. Ya, silakan digandeng lagi istri tercinta. Ya, side by side. Now we are going to the stage ya. Baik Bapak Ibu tamu yang berbahagia, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to listen a thanking speech from the groom. Kita akan mendengarkan. The time is yours, please.
Welcome everyone. Good evening, selamat malam. Saya dan istri saya ingin dan segenap keluarga Condro dan keluarga Yunarditai ingin mengucapkan terima kasih yang sebanyak-banyaknya kepada semua tamu yang sudah hadir pada malam hari ini untuk memeriahkan acara dan pesta pernikahan kami. And to those who came from far away, we have guests coming from Australia, Singapore, and the United States. We thank you all for coming and making our day extra special. So, thank you everyone for being here. Please enjoy.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have.
Nahkodanya mereka, dan biarlah di dalam suka duka mereka, kami juga berdoa kiranya Engkau memberikan mereka keturunan yang sehat, keturunan yang baik, sehingga buah hati ini sungguh boleh menjadi sukacita di dalam keluarga. Kami juga berdoa untuk kedua orang tua mereka yang telah mendidik dan menjaga dan melindungi mereka. Kiranya Kau berikan kesehatan dan juga umur yang panjang. Malam hari ini kami bersukacita bersama, bersyukur atas setiap nikmat yang Kau berikan bagi kami melalui santap malam bersama. Oleh karena itu, berkati makanan dan juga minuman ini Tuhan, agar membawa kepada kami kekuatan untuk tubuh jasmani kami. Kami serahkan acara ini ke depan hanya di dalam nama Tuhan kami Yesus Kristus, Tuhan dan pengantara kami yang hidup dan berkuasa kini dan sepanjang segala masa. Amin. Di dalam nama Bapa dan Putra dan Roh Kudus. Amin.
Let's raise our glass and celebrate tonight, the beautiful moment of Christopher and Christine wedding toast. Woo!
It's a
Cheers.
beautiful night. We're looking for something to do. Hey baby, I think you wanna marry you. Is it a look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think you wanna marry you. And tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Just say and
Okay, please welcome PCO Entertainment. Silakan Bapak.
darling, just like running, follow my lead. Life and a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love. Not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're in mine, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look at us, I whisper underneath my breath, you heard this, that you look perfect tonight. Oh yeah, yeah. I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She's at my dreams. I hope that someday I'll sell home. I found love to get it more than just my secrets, to get in love, to get the children's our own. We must kids when we so in love, fighting against all odds, and I will be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl and be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Whoa. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to that very song. I have ever what I see. Now I know I am an angel. Perfect. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Oh yeah, tonight.
Thank you. That was from PCO Entertainment. Once again, welcome to the wedding reception of Christopher and Christy. Dan tentunya jangan kemana-mana, jangan beranjak dulu Bapak Ibu tamu yang berbahagia. Keduanya nanti akan mingle. Jadi tentunya kedua mempelai will do a chit chat to all the guests tonight. Don't worry, don't go anywhere. Please stand by here at this beautiful event. Dan tentunya juga selamat menikmati hidangan yang telah disediakan oleh tim. Dan bagi Bapak Ibu yang ingin mengabadikan momen indah juga kita menyediakan foto booth ya yang berada di luar ruangan. Jadi silakan untuk dapat menikmati fasilitas yang telah disediakan oleh kedua mempelai.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Baby, my heart could still last hard at 23. I'm thinking about how dropped. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. Honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. When my hairs are gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play strings the same way, I know you would still love me the same. Honey, your soul could never grow old as evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind, memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I just keep on making same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. Baby, now take me to Ibu Burayam. Kiss me under the light of the angkasa. Place your head di pundak saya. Thinking out loud, maybe we found love di Jakarta. Baby, now take me to eat bubur ayam. Kiss me under the light of the angkasa. Place your head di pundak saya. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love di Jakarta. Maybe it will bring love to America. Yeah, we found love di Jakarta.
Alright, wow. Ya, diganti
Congratulations,
liriknya.
guys.
Mama, ya. Please take your time. This is special performance from Christopher and Mama. Please, boleh kita kasih tepuk tangan untuk Christopher dan Mama. Okay, this is a special performance from Christopher. Oke, thank you untuk persembahannya. Dan ini sekaligus mengantarkan Christopher untuk dapat menjemput istri tercinta. Silakan.
He's not what the rest of us were, just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. Oh, it's enough, but it's wide on the world. Then we And can you feel the love tonight? How it's learned to raise. Oh, it's enough to make the kings and the vagabonds believe the way we bear.
Ya, boleh tepuk tangan untuk Christopher dan Christine. That was special performance dan selanjutnya keduanya akan langsung mingle. Silakan untuk dapat berbaur dengan para tamu undangan ya. You could do mingle and have a little chit chat with all the guests in tonight's event. Dan tentunya kita juga masih dihibur dari tim PCO Entertainment.
Here we are under the moonlight. I'm the one without a dry eye. You look amazing. Sorry for the better outcast. Before today, you know you felt lost, but now you're my lady. So take my hand now, see me, 'cause you made me into this man. Promise I'll treasure you, girl. You know that I've needed completing my world. You my love, my life, my beginning, and I'm just so strong. I got you. Girl, you are the piece I've been missing. Remembering us all the time I've been alone. Show me the way. Let me in, let me hold right to the dance with you. You my love, my life, my beginning. Should someone need to come and speak me now? I just can't believe what I found standing here by me, giving me the greatest gift you gave, saying yes and now the life begin, just in your daily. So take my hand now, see me, 'cause you made me into this man. Promise I'll treasure you, girl. You know that I'm needed, completing my world. You my love, my life, my beginning, and I'm just so strong. I got you. Girl, you are the piece I've been missing. Remembering us all the time I've been alone. Show me the way. gonna do this right. You're my love, my life, my beginning.
You're the falling star, you're the gateway car, you're the line of sight. When I go too far, you're the swimming pool, wanna go to stay, and you're the perfect things to say. And you play God, but it's kinda cute, and when you smile at me, you know it's like what you do. Baby, don't pretend, then you don't know it's true. 'Cause you can see it when I look at you. And it is crazy life, to this crazy time. It's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're the whizzing well, and you lock me up when you ring my bell. You're the mystery, you're from outer space. You're every minute, 'cause my every day. And I can't believe and that I'm your man. Just a kiss, just a baby, because I got whatever comes away. That seems true, and you know that's what a love can do. An easy life through this crazy time. It's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. Your every song I sing aloud, yeah, 'cause you're my everything. So la 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 la. So la 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 la.
Keren. Good evening, everyone. For those who may not know me, my name is Suraj Kyani. I'm truly honored to be here to stand by all of you today. I had a privilege of knowing Christine over a decade. It's been 10 years, Chris? Yeah. So Christine was my junior back in Ciptadana, and I was the first person to broke her into tears. I'm so sorry, bro. For those who know Christine, she's always have a smile on her face. She's a very jolly person.
Cik lo, tes satu.
Season. To Christopher, buddy, here's for you a tip, a very useful tip. Do not piss her off during earning season, bro. That's fatal. So throughout these years, our friendship grew. We kind of share countless memories. Our friendship is kind of unique. We may not communicate on a day-to-day basis, but once we communicate, we don't stop. When Christine introduced me to Christopher, I quickly realized why their love is so special. It's a kind of different feeling compared to previous guys she introduced me to. Joy, you know this. Christopher shares the same kindness, compassion, and he can balance out Christine's energy. Together, they bring out the best in each other.
To Christine and Christopher, may your journey be filled with love, understanding, and the kind of happiness that lights up the room. I would like to make a toast for the couple. Everyone, can you please raise your glass? Let's make a cheers to the newlywed, Christine and Christopher. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you for Mr. Suraj Kiani. Ternyata nggak jadi gemeteran kan? Thank you loh. Itu sangat menyentuh. That was very touching. Ya, ini salah satu momen tentunya. Boleh tepuk tangan lagi ya.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing.
Oh.
Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment, keluarga, istana yang paling indah adalah keluarga. Puisi yang paling bermakna adalah keluarga. Mutiara tiada tara adalah keluarga. Selamat malam Emak, selamat malam Abang. Mentari hari ini bersinar indah. Terima kasih Emak, terima kasih Abang, untuk tampil perkasa bagi kami putra putri yang siap berbakti. Puisi yang paling bermakna adalah keluarga. Mutiara tiada tara adalah keluarga. Selamat malam Mama, selamat malam Abang. Mentari hari ini berseri indah. Terima kasih Emak, terima kasih Abang, untuk kami perkasa bagi kami putra putri yang siap berbakti. Selamat malam Emak, selamat malam Abang. Mentari hari ini berseri indah. Terima kasih Emak, terima kasih Abang, untuk tampil perkasa bagi kami putra putri yang siap berbakti. Berseri indah.
Thank you so much for all ladies and gentlemen that has attend this wedding reception of Christopher and Christine. Terima kasih untuk seluruh kru yang bertugas dan saya MC Edi Robin pamit undur diri. Good night.